Have you ever wondered why global companies are increasingly investing in India? What makes this South Asian country stand out on the world's economic stage? India, the world's largest democracy, is quickly establishing itself as a significant player on the global economic stage. The reasons are manifold. Firstly, India is home to a vast consumer market. With a population of over 1.3 billion people, the nation offers a substantial customer base that companies are eager to tap into. Moreover, India's burgeoning middle class with increasing disposable income is driving demand for a variety of goods and services, making the country an attractive destination for foreign direct investment. Another key factor is the country's supportive government policies. The Indian government is actively encouraging foreign investment through a series of reforms aimed at further liberalizing and simplifying the process of doing business in the country. These measures have led to a surge in investor confidence and have paved the way for numerous multinational companies to set up operations in India. Lastly, India's skilled and youthful workforce is another major draw for investors. With a median age of just 29, the country is home to one of the world's largest pools of young, educated workers. This workforce is not only tech-savvy and adaptable, but also fluent in English, making it easier for foreign companies to operate in India. India's economic power is not just about numbers. It's about the vibrancy of its markets, the innovation of its entrepreneurs, and the resilience of its people. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the tech hubs of Bangalore, from the manufacturing plants in Gujarat to the startup incubators in Hyderabad, India is a nation that thrives on dynamism and diversity. Now that we've established why India is becoming an economic powerhouse, let's delve into some specific investments that are shaping its future. The auto industry in India is booming with investments pouring in from all over the world. A shining example of this is Suzuki's recent commitment to invest a whopping $4 billion into a second car plant in Gujarat. This significant investment will ramp up Suzuki's annual production capacity to 2 million units in the state alone, signaling a strong vote of confidence in India's auto manufacturing capabilities. But Suzuki isn't stopping there. The company also plans to inject an additional 32 billion rupees to add a new production line in an existing plant. This strategic move will significantly boost its electric vehicle production, as announced by Toshihiro Suzuki at a recent investment summit. On another front, Vietnamese carmaker VinFast is making its grand entry into the world's third-largest car market with an electric vehicle plant in Tamil Nadu. The investment, worth up to $2 billion, is set to transform the factory into a first-class electric vehicle production hub in the region, capable of producing up to 150,000 cars. These foreign investments in India's auto industry are not just about numbers. They echo a global recognition of India's manufacturing prowess and its potential as a key player in the world's auto industry. They also signify a growing commitment towards electric vehicles, aligning with global trends and India's own sustainability goals. The ripple effects of these investments are far-reaching. They stimulate economic growth, create jobs, and enhance India's technological capabilities. Moreover, they boost the nation's standing as an attractive destination for foreign investments, strengthening its position in the global economy. These investments not only boost India's economy but also contribute significantly to its goal of becoming an electric vehicle manufacturing powerhouse. As India continues to attract major investments from the world's leading auto manufacturers, it's clear that the country is not just on the move, but is speeding ahead on the fast lane to becoming a global auto manufacturing hub. Moving away from the auto industry, let's explore the green energy and tech sectors, where India is attracting significant investments. One of the major players making waves in this space is the Indian conglomerate, Adani Group. They have pledged to invest an astounding 2 trillion rupees, that's $24 billion, over the next 5 years in green and renewable energy sectors in the western state of Gujarat. This was announced by their chairman, Gautam Adani, at a recent investment summit. This significant investment underscores the importance of green energy in India's future and the country's commitment to a sustainable future. With the world moving towards cleaner and renewable sources of energy, India is making strides in positioning itself as a leader in this crucial sector. Now let's shift our focus to the tech sector. Here too, India is making a mark on the global stage. Investments are pouring in from all corners of the world. One such investment comes from Apple suppliers, Tata Electronics and Pegatron. They've signed investment pacts worth more than $4.39 billion with India's southern state of Tamil Nadu. Apple, the tech giant, is banking on India as its next big driver of growth. The company is looking to diversify some of its production away from China, and India is emerging as the ideal destination. Pegatron is working towards establishing a second factory in the country, while Tata Group has already begun to assemble iPhones last year. These investments are not just about the money. They signify a vote of confidence in India's tech sector. They underscore India's potential as a global tech hub. They highlight the country's capacity to build world-class tech infrastructure, and most importantly, they are creating jobs, boosting the economy, and placing India firmly on the path of tech-centric growth. These investments underscore India's commitment to a sustainable future and its potential as a global tech hub. So, what does all this mean for India's economic future? In sum, the influx of multinational investments, from Suzuki's expansion in Gujarat to VinFast's electric vehicle plant in Tamil Nadu, marks a significant turning point. These investments are not just boosting India's industrial capacity, but also driving innovation and sustainable development. The green energy sector is blossoming, with Adani Group's massive investment in Gujarat and JSW Energy's commitment to renewable projects. Tech giants like Apple are also recognizing India's potential, diversifying their production lines and creating new opportunities. This trend is set to continue, powered by India's vast market, strategic location, and supportive policies. The nation is rapidly becoming a hub for electric vehicles, renewable energy, and tech innovation. These developments promise a bright future for India's economy, transforming it into a global powerhouse. With its vast market, strategic location, and supportive policies, India is well on its way to becoming a global economic powerhouse. The world is watching and investing. Are you?